Hi everyone! Today we're creating a Douyin-inspired Korean glass nail look. It's beginner friendly and packed with glitter, chrome, holographic film, and rhinestones. Stay tuned and I'll take you through every step. Let's start with prep. File the free edge, push back your cuticles, and lightly buff the nail surface. Then clean everything with an alcohol wipe before we move on to dehydrator and primer. This ensures your nails are perfectly ready for the tips. I'm using Ombre's natural round long tips today, making sure they fit snug along the sidewalls. Optional for short-term wear, you can use Gowie peel-off base. This is an air dry formula, and once that is dry, I'm going to go in with this gel fuzziness peel-off base. I do this because I need to change sets often, but it's totally optional if you want longer wear. We're jumping right in with a chemical etching primer for the inside of the tip. This helps with a stronger grip. Then go ahead and apply a thin layer of glue, and this goes all over the nail, and then you'll do a dollop right at the tip and go in at a 45-degree angle from the cuticle and press down lightly so that the glue flows to the free edge. And then do a flash cure per nail. I'd say like 30 seconds, and then I go in with a full hand cure, 60 seconds at the end. Also optional is this top coat for the underside of the nail. I like to do this because I think that it makes the nail look cleaner and more polished, and it just seals the underside. Then we're going to go shape the nails with a file, smooth the base with a cuticle bit to remove any glue seepage, dust everything off with a brush, and then dip a brush into some acetone because this is going to melt that soft gel tip into the nail so that it looks a little more natural. Go ahead and buff that area lightly, and pretty much a seamless finish. For the base, I'm mixing 3 shades together. I wanted a nude pink, and I wanted to create a soft blushing color. I wanted to be able to use this color to dab it over the free edge to blend out any harsh lines from the clear tip. I just wanted to give a natural gradient. Next, we're going with blooming gel over the entire tip because I am going to dot those 2 colors that you saw, that maybe more of a mauve kind of blush color and then a lime green, both jelly shades. I want to use an ombre brush to kind of melt them together, creating a jelly-like translucent blushing effect. For my thumb, I did a slightly different technique with the holographic film I was testing out. I'll link that short here if you want to see the exact steps for the thumb application. With the film for the remaining nails, I went ahead and cut an oval shape to fit each nail. Then I'll apply a thin layer of gel over the entire nail so that we can place the film to hold it in place, and then we're going to overlay with gel to secure, but be sure to fill in the sides as needed so that there's no air bubbles or gaps, and then use a larger bead to encapsulate everything so that it just locks it into place. If you found this interesting or helpful so far, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate you supporting my small channel. With a fine detail brush, I gently pull the gel towards the center and lightly along the sides, avoiding cuticles, and then do a full cure for 60 seconds. Now let's go ahead and apply our top coat. I didn't film me like filing and shaping the nail, but be sure you do that before this step. Generally, shape your nails, smooth out edges, and then seal the top coat. Let's add some sparkle. Let's start with our glitter polish. We're going to use this where there is less color on the nail, mainly at the base and the tips. And also, if you find this interesting, I would love for you to stick around and go ahead and subscribe or comment. I've got a lot of really interesting stuff planned for this year, so I really hope you stick around and continue to support as you have been. Thank you as always. Once the glitter is placed where you want it, don't cure just yet because we're going to grab some chunky glitter for extra dimension. I went in with this gold to pull together all the pinks, lime greens, and mixed metals. Go ahead and place that over the gel glitter that you had before. Let's go ahead and cure and then seal everything with a top coat. Switching gears so that we're using a matte top coat because next is chrome. So make sure to cure that for 60 seconds. This preps the nails for our chrome isolation. Then we're going to use this clear top coat to outline the areas where you want your chrome to lay. This helps control exactly where it should sit and how it should look. Quick tip, you can always add a little bit of black to a clear top coat so that you can see your lines better if the background is not giving you enough visibility. Flash cure for about 10 seconds before applying the chrome powder. Rub it in with a sponge applicator. And look at that pretty shine. Then flip to a clean side to remove any excess. Then seal with a top coat and cure for another 60 seconds. Let's add some stickers for a little flair. You can put these in open areas where we can then seal them with a top coat once everything's placed. Finally, we are adding rhinestones and gems. Use a medium viscosity glue to hold them in place. Flash cure once positioned. And that's it. Here's the finished Douyin-inspired Korean glass nail look. Sparkly, blushing, and it is beginner friendly. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more nail tutorials like this.